Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sheldon, the outdoorsy guy. And welcome to my channel. I'm just going into my camp here. I've been here for I got here at 4:15, and right now it's 5:30. 27 degrees here today. Felt like 35 with the humidity. Inside my tent it was 42, which is 116 Fahrenheit. Hold on a second, everybody. I'll bring you back. So I just had to turn the radio off because I can't have any copyrighted music on my channel, in my videos. But I'm at my camp. And going to have some, here's my stack of wood. Gonna have a campfire, and I'm gonna be cooking on my new grill, swing away grill. See how that goes in there like that? And it comes back out when you want to flip your burgers or whatever. So it's Thursday, August 15th, and the sun has gone down. It rained a couple of times since I've been here. Not a whole lot, but enough to get you wet. And for not for very long. Each time was about 10 minutes long. Every little shower for both little showers. But right now the sky is pretty clear over that way, but the clouds are all going that way, and there are no dark clouds coming this way. And you know something? No mosquitoes. I got my thermosol right there, and it's all loaded up and ready to go, but there are no flies. There are dragonflies, but they don't bother me. And I haven't seen one of them in a few minutes. So I got some good food to cook tonight. Let me see what I got here. Have a seat. Cheers, everybody. I got some Platinum Grill inside round strip stir fry. Right there. And I chopped them up at home. Red pepper and onions to go with it. And for a snack, I got a lunch meat. It's turkey. And I got a Kit Kat bar. That'll get me through the night. No problem. So everybody, I'm going to chill out for a bit. Listen to nature. A rabbit was over right here by that tree earlier. He was there for a couple of minutes, and then he hopped over behind the fire pit. I don't know what he was doing there. Then he hopped over there. I threw him a piece of red pepper, but He didn't take it, and then he just hopped away. You'll find that I did film it, and if you want to check it out, cute little rabbit. I'm surprised it came so close to me. But yeah, you can check that video out in my shorts. Anyway, guys, I'm going to chill out and listen to some music because it's almost 6 o'clock. And you know what happens at 6 o'clock? It's heading home with the hip, the Tragically Hip. I love the Tragically Hip, and I want to hear that song that they're going to play. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in a bit. All right, everybody. I got my ferro rod. Let's see how many strikes it's going to take me to get a flame here. I like to try to get the ferro. Well, it's a ferro rod, but I call it a fire striker most of the time. Let's just see how many strikes it's going to take me. I had it at 12, but I hit it again at 13. It made it 13, but yeah, I did it at 12. I get some birch on the fire. Woo! That's hot. Whoa. Got some twigs to go on. Then I got some kindling. I gotta just straighten you guys up here. There's some more kindling. And more kindling. And a little bit more kindling. So that's the start of the fire. Too hot. Too hot. All right, everybody. I've got food cooked up here. Steak. Let me show you here. What I'm eating. Oh yeah, green or red peppers, meat, and onion, smothered in barbecue sauce and steak spice. So we can't put it down on my knee because it's too hot. It's good. Cooked up perfectly. Couldn't ask for it any better. Just the right amount of barbecue sauce and steak spice. My God. Excuse me. Oh, is this ever good? So, there wasn't any mosquitoes until recently, and I turned on my thermostat, and they're gone again. But I'm going to finish eating what I got here. I'll bring you guys back. I'll see you in a bit. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it a night. Call it a night. The fire is not much left to it. But I'm just going to give it a little stoke. There's a piece of wood there that needs to be pushed into the fire so it can burn. There you go. That looks better. So anyway, guys, Jesus, dark here. Freaking dark. I have to go to bed. Well, I'm gonna go inside anyway. I gotta get all my everything brought inside, and I'll bring you back when I get there. See you in a bit. All right, everybody. It's 11:08, and I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you for watching, and for the new, if you haven't, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I've had a great time out here. Fire's gone out. I'm just sitting on my bed here because I'm about to call it a night and go to bed. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Morning, everybody. Oh, what a good sleep I had. It's chilly here this morning. 7:29, everybody. I don't want to get up. But I got to. That's enough sleep. Yeah, it's chilly here this morning. Squirrel. I don't know what it is, but my glasses, I take them off when I go to bed, and when I get up there in the morning, it doesn't happen at home now. It's just out here. I get up in the morning, put on my glasses, and they're all dirty. Smeared right to... it's still smeary. But yeah, it's a pretty nice morning. Not sure the temperature here. Let me have a look here. Ooh, 11 degrees Celsius. That's like 54 Fahrenheit. I gotta get out of here now. Go for a coffee. Didn't get any rain last night, overnight. Pretty quiet. Almost knocked you guys over. I gotta get packed up and get out of here. So I'm gonna finish my cigarette, and I'll bring y'all back for pack up. I'll see you in a bit. All right, everybody, I'm all packed up. Just gotta close the door. There, it's locked. Let's get out of here. See you next week, 10th. Okay, let's get this stuff put away. Pretty good night though. Some good food last night. That was excellent. That food I cooked at the grill. That was excellent. The steak and steak strips and the onion and the red pepper. I gobbled it all up. Let's get out of here. I'm going to call this one right now, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I entertained you for a while. If you like my content and you want to see more and you're new, just hit that subscribe button. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on camping, everybody.